Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I missed you. I'm smiling. I got something in my head. It looks black. It's my hair. Whee!
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I got some new goodies, clothes, whatever you want to call it, from drumroll, Fashion Nova. I've been getting clothes from Fashion Nova. I don't know why I haven't been doing reviews on them, so I figured, why not? So I got a few items, not as many, but I got a few items from Fashion Nova recently, and before I go ahead and try them on, I just want to let you guys know all of them was a size medium. And before I even try them on, I would like to say I like Fashion Nova. You know, I'm not your extra curvy girl. I do have my curves. But I still look good in their clothes. Not to pat myself on the back or anything, you know. But what I don't like about them is that you would order some stuff from Fashion Nova, and they'll send you the confirmation email and everything, and then the next day or the next hour or whatever, you'll get an email and it says currently out of stock. Here is your gift card or store credit gift card. But you sent me a confirmation with the item already. I've had like maybe 5 different gift cards, I should say, from them, and I can just apply as many gift cards as I have to my purchase, and it works. Store credit. So it has its perks. I really don't like that. It kind of makes me feel like it gives like a false impression. Or another thing is, I hear people say, oh, their jeans are like the best jeans in the world, and it fits me this and it fits me that. I've ordered 2 jeans from them, and I don't hate it, but I don't think it's the best jeans that I've ever tried on. I'll show you guys. It's not a new purchase, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. One of them, I did lose weight, so one of them, when I'm walking, it kind of feels like it's falling. I don't know if I'm describing that properly, but it's like every 2 minutes, like I have to pull it up. I hate when jeans do that. And then the other one is just, it fits okay. It fits okay, but it's not like, oh my god, these are my favorite jeans. No, go ahead and try these clothes on. was it. Those were all the outfits that I wanted to share with you guys. 3 of them I've already had and worn before, as I mentioned earlier. The 2 jeans, I had those previously, and then the pink velvet looking dress or shirt dress that I've actually done a video on my channel. So I've had that prior to Christmas of 2018, just never did a haul on it or, you know, did anything with Fashion Nova in general. And so yeah, all of the clothes that I get from Fashion Nova is a size medium, whether it's the pants or the 2-piece outfit or dress, or the shirt dress. The jeans, however, I believe the one with the flowers is a size, let me not lie, hold on. So this was the jeans that I was talking about. It is a size 9. And it is quite big on me. I got this jeans back in 2017. It was summer, no, most likely April, May of 2017. And from then to now, I've lost about 20 pounds. So I guess that's kind of why I constantly need to pull it up. If you heard me mention earlier in this video, I was saying that one of my jeans, I have to pull it up every 2 seconds, and I hated it. Every few minutes I have to pull it up. This was the jeans that I was talking about, and I kind of feel a part of that is because I did lose some pounds. So, you know, it fits me, but it doesn't stay. It's like, what are you doing? And then this was the other jeans that I was talking about. This one is a size 7. I got this back in 2017 as well, but it was more of January, like in the beginning of the year, last year. So a good year ago. I got the darker jeans, and that was a size 7, and it fitted me extra tight at that time. And that's why when I reordered jeans from them, I got a size 9, because I felt like I don't need to feel like I'm suffocating in the jeans. However, since I've lost weight, this jean seems to fit me more, although I still have that pulling thing going on. Like I still have to pull it up. But I do prefer the darker jeans than the jeans with the flowers on it. Yeah, Fashion Nova, as far as in shipping, it comes pretty fast, like 3 business days. I don't really have much to complain about when it comes to Fashion Nova. I just don't like that they'll like sell you something and take your money and then send you an email to confirm it and then turn around and say it's not available. It's the only. I believe that's it. So if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, just let me know. I will respond in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back. I promise I will be definitely uploading more and more videos as I go. Yeah. I can't believe that's it. I feel like I had a handful of things to say. But thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later with another video. I do have tons and of lots of stuff coming your way. Toodles!